Hi, I'm recording this video on the 6th of January 2021, and as of today, I've been suffering from a disease. Uh, well, the disease is not life threatening as far as I'm aware, but it's quite painful. The pain is like it almost cripples you. It's called fissure in ano or anal fissure, and it's not always chronic, but mine is. I've been suffering for almost 7 months now. Yeah, since the middle of June 2020 uh, to this day. It's not always this bad. It's maybe gotten a bit worse in the winter. Uh, I don't know if I'll recover. The last time I went to a doctor, that was December 2020. No, it was November 2020. Doctor told me that I require a surgery and this won't get better by itself. However, I'm from a lower middle class family. Uh, so, as of now, my parents can't afford to pay for it. Maybe one day I'll go through the surgery and I'll get better. Hi, I'm back. It's the 2nd of July, and that's the old video that I filmed 6 months ago. Um I had to take painkillers on my own to help deal with the pain because I wasn't just studying, I was also working all this time. And finally, I'm supposed to undergo my surgery tomorrow. I've waited a long time for this. I've waited like over a year for this. And yeah, so I'll get myself admitted to the hospital today. And like I said, my surgery is tomorrow. And we'll see how it goes. This is my hospital room. This is my bed. And that's the window. The view outside is nice, but it's dark now. My surgery is supposed to happen tomorrow at 11:30 a.m. It's the 3rd of July today. Woke up at around 6 a.m. today. Couldn't sleep for more than 6 hours because I'm pretty anxious, truth be told. It's 2:30, and my surgery concluded around an hour ago, 1:30 p.m. or maybe it was 1:20 p.m. Um, they put me on spinal anesthesia, and at first the laser was not working, but they finally managed to get it to work. Uh, Before they put me on spinal anesthesia, they gave me some local anesthetic, which did hurt a bit. But after that, the spinal anesthesia didn't hurt much, and the operation itself, it was almost painless. I felt a weird sensation down there at times, but other than that, nothing else. I still don't feel anything below my waist, and so right now there's no pain, but I've been told I'll start feeling pain a couple of hours later and they'll put me on painkillers. 6 hours almost post operation, and uh, uh, the effects of the anesthetic have almost completely worn out by now. Uh, and the interesting part is, the area hurts. I kinda expected it to hurt differently after the surgery, if you know what I mean, but it hurts in the exact same way. It hurts along the posterior midline, and like I feel uh, the same kind of pain I used before the operation. So I don't know. Maybe it's too early to tell. It's the 5th of July. It has been 45 hours post op, and yeah, I think the surgery worked because the distinctive pain I felt when I had to use the bathroom. It's I won't say it's not there, but I would say it's 90% gone, maybe even 100%, but I can't be sure. 80 hours post op, and I feel my symptoms have reduced a lot. Um I still feel some amount of pain, discomfort, or itchiness when I have to use the bathroom, but it's really not a big deal and it goes away pretty fast. And especially compared to what I used to feel before, it's really nothing. And I suspect it's because of the operation rather than the fissure itself. And I expect it to go away in a couple of weeks or months.